Hello guys, welcome to Tech Avro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you find friends on Spotify. So to find friends on Spotify, launch your Spotify app. So there are two ways to find friends on Spotify. In the first way, at first you need to just go to your profile icon, which is top left, and after that click on view profile under your name. Now here you can see there is a three dot icon beside edit. Click on it, and after that here you can see there is option which is find friends. Just click on it, and you can see there is option which is connect Facebook. If you connect to Facebook, all of your friends who use Facebook and use Spotify will be here. Now for the second way, just go back and click the bottom search option, and here you can see the top search bar. Just click on it, and after clicking it, just search for any of your friends, just like I'm searching for Alex. And here you can see all of your Alex song is here, but if you want to see the profiles, just you need to scroll here, and the last option is profiles. Just click on profiles, and all of your Alex or Alexa are here. You need to just search for your friends. So for that you can just give the exact name, or you can just find him here. Just like if my friend sees him, I can just follow him and he will be following me back, and by that he can just become my friend. So guys, that's how you can find friends on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.